Good morning,
The
people.
5E lesson model allows for an
How is
interactive learning
everyone?
environment in which learners actively
Okay,
construct
get off your
knowledge,
desks and get space.
apply the learned knowledge
So we are
in
going to sing a
new
song, Mingo
situations,
Mingo.
including their daily life,
Mingo Mingo.
and develop
Mingo 5.
the skills needed to thrive in a daily life.
Mingo Mingo.
Note that in this
Mingo
lesson,
12.
the teacher engages
This group
learners
sit here.
with a
This group sit the
captivating
other side.
but relevant song and
Ah, you
later
boys
leads
come.
them into a
Occupy the
quick
other two desks.
addition which will prepare them to dive into developing the targeted
Get the
competence
counters
of
very
the
fast,
day,
very fast.
and that is addition of
I want to see the
whole
counters on top of
numbers
the desk.
with regrouping. Let's watch.
Has issue group got your card? That card has two numbers. And I want you to use that operation sign to do what the card is telling you to do. What are you supposed to do? Aya, can we add very fast? I want to see what you're using to count. Make sure you're counting all together, eh? Have we finished? How many have finished? How many have not yet? Okay, can we sit? Let one person stand up and show us. One person from each group. You're showing the whole class. These ones, which answer do you have? 13. What about these ones? 11. And the other group? That group? 17. And this group? 14. So today we are going to look at
After a captivating engagement, the teacher
you know
now
what we are going
crosses
to
over
do?
to the exploration
No.
phase.
You're going
Notice
to rotate
that
for
she
your
gives
friend.
out
Every person should
worksheets
pick a number.
in which
Eh?
learners will
One
work
for the first round, then
collaboratively
the second round.
to
Can we
generate
begin?
numbers and later add those numbers with
So the first
regrouping.
person has picked 7, not so? 7 is under which place value? 1. So if the second person picks 1, where will 1 be? 10. And the third person? 100. Until 5 people are done, eh? Yes. So that is round 1. So round 2, the sixth person will pick another value. It will be under 1. The next person? 10. Until there are 10 numbers, then we after add. Are we together? Yes. Let's rotate very fast. How many have finished the first round? Move to the next round. Remember, we want to add. Move to the second round. We want to add. After, I want to show me how you're adding properly. Remember, we add the one who's first, add the tens second. If the number needs the regrouping, we shall regroup. Yes. Yeah. Finish round 1.
The
Can we
beauty
move to
here
round 2?
is that the learners can learn from one another. This is a
Finish
very
round 2.
critical skill,
Add and get the
learning from
sum
one
very fast.
another. They
Let's add.
communicate to one another. They are learning to talk to one another, perhaps talking in turns, taking on tasks in turns. But the teacher doesn't take it for granted. She moves from
Sorry.
group to group to check on progress and give the different groups the needed support.
Rotate for your friend. Pick 5. We are waiting for this group and the other group. Don't use guesswork, yet you have counters. So the groups that have finished, prepare to read for us the numbers you chose in words, and the sum you got. Hello.
After
Here we
the
clap once.
exploration
Okay.
phase,
Give
the
yourselves
teacher
flowers, flowers,
transitions to
flowers
the
for.
explanation phase,
Aya, can we sit?
giving learners
Thank you so
opportunities
much.
to talk
So
about
each group
what
is
they
going to
have
read for
done,
us the numbers they
possibly
chose.
how they did it,
Remember, we
and
chose
what
different
they
numbers, not
found.
so? So if
This
I
is
point
very
at your group,
critical
you read for us the
because
first round you
the teacher
chose.
has to
You
check
read also the
for
second round. Then after, you're going to
competence
read the sum.
development.
Eh? Okay, let's begin with this group here. Read for us the number you chose in words. Can we listen? What was the second round? Okay, what was your sum? Did you get a number for regrouping? Are you sure? Okay, let me check. Okay, give your friend high five.
While
The next
learners
group,
make
please
their
read your number.
presentations, notice that the teacher is keen to point out what was done correctly,
These people have read
but
their
also
sum.
to
Did you get a
identify
number for regrouping?
misconceptions
Okay, 6
and
plus 1,
mistakes.
14. Give your friend high five.
And once mistakes are
This group
identified,
here, read for us your
the
sum.
teacher goes on to respectively correct the learners.
Did you get a number for regrouping? Clap for yourself. There is a mistake somewhere. 6, 7. So how would you read this? Remember, read the thousands together. 6, 11, 4, 6. Okay, who can read for us this in words? Yes, where is one? Is the boy right? Remember, we read the thousands together. Eh? Is he right? Is he wrong? Then who can read it in words? What's the place value of 6 here? This? And the next one? HT. What is HT? 100,000, eh? So this is 111,676, eh?
Once the explanation phase is done,
I'm reading. Just
the
write the digits
class
and add very
must
fast, eh?
transition to the elaboration phase.
Remember, you created
And
your own
this is
numbers. I'm
where
also creating
learners
for you a
must
number, eh?
apply
A small
learning
library has
into new
164
situations,
math
including
books
their daily life situations.
and 158 English books. How many books are there in the library altogether? I want to see the side work, eh? We are going to exchange the books. Eh? Hey. Give your friend the book. Give your friend the and get a pencil. Okay. Which number did I give you?
Notice that the teacher decides to adopt peer assessment, where
Plus,
learners exchange their work to allow their peers,
remember
or rather
these
their
are what?
colleagues, to check
Books.
their work.
We are going to
This
add. We
helps
are
to
going
deepen
to
understanding
add.
of
Put
learned
this way. I want you to mark
concepts,
your friend very well, eh?
develops
Did
critical
your
and
friend first add
analytical
one nose?
thinking,
And the one
and
nose. What did
allows
that
for
person add?
providing quick feedback for all.
4 plus 8. What did that person get? 12. This is a 2-digit answer, not so? Place value of 2? I is where? Place value of 2? Place value of 1? Remember, we've added 4 plus 8. Eh? The number and the answer under one nose is 2, not so? Remember, we are regrouping. Which number are we going to regroup? Under hundreds, not so? Under the next place value, which is 10. So which number am I writing here? 1. How many numbers are we going to add under tens? 3. And which numbers are those ones? 1 plus 6 plus 5. Did that person add the 3 numbers on the second step? Yes. What was that person's answer? 12. Angie? 12. Did he or she write 12 here? No. Angie? 2. And did what? Regroup 1. Dinene adikoze atya dinene? 1 plus 1 plus 1. And what did the person get? 3. If you have this answer, put up your hand. If you don't have this answer, put up your hand. Who knows the mistake those people did? Yes, Priscilla. They did not regroup. That is the first thing. Another mistake. Talk about the place values, because I read in words, not so? Hundreds aina kuba na place value maker. Have you helped that person? So who can tell us what have you learned? I want 1 person or 2 people. Yes, Sharon. Regrouping.
The teacher closes by focusing on the main concept of the day. Thank you so much for watching.
Regrouping.